Hello everyone, my name is Nushrat Esha and I'm a senior from Alhambra High School in the state of California. I am one of the winners for the $250 2020 COVID-19 grant from Cirkled In. I am from Alhambra High School, and in my high school I was involved in many clubs and activities. Some of the clubs included Speech and Debate, MESA, Science Olympiad, and of course community service. Community service has to be one of the most important extracurricular opportunity and activity that I was involved in during my high school career. Community service is one of my favorite because I learned a lot about myself and a lot about other people too. I volunteered at many places, but one of the most memorable places has to be the Los Angeles County Hospital. At the Los Angeles County Hospital, I was able to complete over 200 volunteer hours, and I was able to meet with patients and help many nurses. I was able to meet up with patients every morning, assist them, and ask them if they ever needed anything. I also learned a lot about myself and my people skills and what I need to improve on because I had a lot of interaction with many people at the hospital. I am from a family of 5, so my family consists of me, my younger brother, and my older sister. My parents immigrated from Bangladesh to America in order to make sure my siblings and I had the best education opportunity here in America. My parents work many hours every week to make sure that finances never become an obstacle in our educational opportunity. So what is Cirkled In? Cirkled In is basically an online platform that helps high school students build a perfect profile for their colleges. It helps students understand what they should improve on and what type of activities that they should be involved in to make sure that they're a perfect candidate for their dream school. Cirkled In also provides students with many scholarships that are really easy to apply for. All you have to do is build your profile and you're entered for their scholarships that happen really oftenly. Thank you so much, Cirkled In, for this amazing opportunity, and good luck to anyone that's applying for their amazing scholarship.